1 1968 Chevy Nova 2 2500. Located in Gardena, this 1968 Chevy Nova 2 is an ideal project car. It runs and drives, has 159,000 miles on the odometer, and features an automatic transmission. The car comes with a clean title and retains many of its original parts. Priced at just $2,500, it's ready for the next owner to bring it back to its former glory. Two, 1962 Plymouth Gasser, $1,399. This 1962 Plymouth Valiant Coupe, garaged since 1984, is located in San Jose, CA. It's set up for a V8 engine with a GM straight axle and an early Ford 9-inch rear end. The body is clean and rust-free, and the car comes with trim, bumpers, and original uncut door panels. It includes a Chevy 350 core engine and headers, though the engine setup may need adjustment. With a bill of sale and a price of $1,399, this could be an exciting Mopar project. 3. 1965 Corvair Convertible 4-speed, $3,000. Available in Los Angeles, this 1965 Corvair Convertible is a rare find. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs, turns, and stops, but isn't currently drivable. It comes with too many extra parts to list and is sold with a bill of sale. This classic is out of the DMV system and priced at $3,000 or best offer. 4. 1959 Jeep CJ5 Classic, $2,700. This 1959 Jeep CJ5, located in Palmdale, is a vintage SUV that needs work. It runs with a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, but requires brake lines, a gas tank, tires, seats, a radiator, and a windshield. The body shows minor dents, but it's being sold as is with a bill of sale. This Jeep is priced at $20,700 will need towing. Five, 1958 Jeep Willys CJ. This 1958 Jeep Willys CJ, located in Long Beach, is a rare California vehicle with no rust and an unmolested body. Originally equipped with an F4 Hurricane engine, the engine is missing, but the transmission, transfer case, and axles are intact. The Jeep includes CJ7 seats and can be registered with a bond title. At $1,800, this Jeep is a fantastic restoration candidate for collectors. And 6, 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado, $2,700. Found in the Long Beach, Seal Beach area, this 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado is an easy restoration project. It has low original mileage at 67,000 and features a 455 engine and automatic transmission. The car starts and moves but has some rust and has been on P&O since 1993. With all original parts, a clean title, and an asking price of $2,700, this is a great opportunity for enthusiasts. Seven, 1978 Chevrolet Suburban, $2,000. Located in Van Nuys, this 1978 Chevrolet Suburban has been in the same family for 41 years. Featuring a 350 engine and turbo 400 transmission, both with 35,000 miles, it hasn't been started in months and requires towing. Built like a tank, this SUV is priced at $2,000 and comes with a clean title. Eight, 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 Convertible, parts, $1,500. This 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7, found in Winnetka, is being sold for parts or restoration. Equipped with a 351 Cleveland engine and automatic transmission, it's not currently drivable and has 2 flat tires. The car is offered as is with a bill of sale for $1,500 or best offer. 9. 1967 Ford Falcon Red and Ranchero. A barn find, this 1967 Ford Falcon Ranchero features a 3-speed manual transmission and runs. With a clean title and a price of $2,500, it's a promising project car for classic Ford enthusiasts. 10 1972 Volkswagen Beetle, $2,700. Located in Santa Clarita, this yellow 1972 Volkswagen Beetle is equipped with a manual transmission and has 150,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with a new carburetor but needs interior work, new tires, and a battery. Registered as non-operational, the Beetle is priced at $2,700 and starts despite sitting for years. 11 1977 Chevrolet Bumblebee Camaro, $2,500. This 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, nicknamed the Bumblebee, is available for $2,500 plus tax. Featuring an automatic transmission and salvage title, this Camaro could be a fun and affordable classic car project. Which of these cars sparks your interest? Share your thoughts below.